Welcome back. Another unboxing today. We've got a little something from SmallRig. So pick this up. So let's crack it open. This is the camera cage for Canon M50. Now I'm recording this on the Canon M50 right now, so I'm just going to show you what's in the box, show you what the frame looks like, what accessories come with it, and so forth. I have not opened this. This has just come today. Pulled it out of the package, and here we go. I believe it should. Yep, there it is. Slide out of the sleeve. Next, I'm glad I went and got my trusty knife. Just break the seal. Definitely hear something metal in there. Let's crack that open. Okay, now the nitty gritty, we're in the box. Let's see what we got. And I believe it is one piece, so the plastic bag, everything comes out of the box. It's a nice little box. Put that to the side. I can see we've got a Ziploc bag here. So it's resealable. We're going to pull this out, and it's also wrapped in bubble wrap. You can see this has come from SmallRig, and it says it's a SmallRig cage for a Canon EOS M50 or the M50 Mark II or the M5. And I have the original M50, which I'm recording this on right now, and out of the plastic bag. Now we have the actual camera rig, or camera cage. I believe this is the front here. Obviously this is the back. We've got the mounting point, which is the screw mount, which will go into the bottom of the camera, and away we go. What you'll probably see now, because I'll have to record it as B-roll on another camera, is I'm putting the M50 inside the cage to show you what it looks like. The beauty of the cage is that you've got all these different mounts on the side and every available spot, on top, in front, down this side. So you have the ability to mount a whole bunch of accessories onto your camera, whether it's an additional handle, a monitor, microphones, lighting, to have it like an all-in-one mounted unit. So that is basically what the purpose of the camera rig is. The actual reason I got this camera rig for myself for the M50 is because I needed to lift the base of the M50 up a little bit to fit into a teleprompter of all things. So this is going to allow me to do that with the particular lens that I've got on this camera right now, which is a Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens, which is the M mount lens that goes with the Canon M50. That lens, the height and width of that lens makes the front of the lens actually drop lower than the bottom of the M50. So this is going to give me probably like a centimeter or so, nearly a centimeter, probably pretty close to a centimeter of extra height for mounting onto the tripod. Plus, having a camera rig to attach additional things to your camera is so cool. So that is the SmallRig camera cage for Canon EOS M50, M50 Mark II, and the M5, I believe. Quite simply, it's a one-piece cage, come in the bags, protected in the box, wrapped with the whole thing. Simple as that. SmallRig cage for the Canon M50, M50 Mark II, and M5. Check it out.